Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to write Google reviews on your post in WordPress. So first of all, you will need a plugin which allows you to write down Google reviews. So let's now search for reviews plugin, and you will have a few options. So the first one would be widgets for Google reviews, and there are that many installations. And there's also this one. So let's, for example, install this one. And now you need to click activate. So first of all, you will need to connect to Google, then select the layout style, set up this widget, and now insert the code. This is the free widget configurator. There's also option to get want more Google reviews, the free guide to this. So first of all, you need to connect to Google. So you need to enter their Google Business Profile name or location. And for example, I just chose this random business location. I'm just going to click connect. And now you will be able to see the reviews from this specific location. Now you will need to select the layout. Is it a slider, sidebar, list, grid, badge, button, loading, or pop-up? So let's maybe choose this one. Select. Or there's also some other. Basically, you can choose whichever you like. Now you're gonna select the style, light background or dark. I'm just gonna select this one. And now we're gonna set up this widget. You need to set up all of these. Let's look at these so you can show the minimum review filter condition and so on and so forth. So let's save and get the code. Now they will give us a code which we can actually copy and enter it to our the shortcode. We can enter it to our post. So let's, for example, add a container, and let's search for shortcode just like so, and paste it right there. And now your reviews will be done here and will be shown here. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.